Are you sick of being lied to?
Do you think that you're getting the whole picture?
There's always another side to every story.
Obviously, this operation needs money.
We want to raise more money.
What the people's voice needs is money.
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 We're not getting the support we need at the moment.
In the end, it is down to money. We need funding now.
Do make a donation, please.
£300,000 is nothing.
It's very little money to ask.
There are very large financial costs involved.
It will be clear where the money went.
We went to New York, we went to Los Angeles, San Francisco, and then we went back to Los Angeles.
With the donations of the people.
That's what your money will be paying for.
The only way the company could exist and put out the output that we do was to be a private limited company.
We are totally non-profit.
Not for profit.
Non-profit making.
Everything that has been achieved to this point has come from your generous donations.
I have put a considerable amount of money into this operation by buying equipment from my own pocket.
There is no point in our existence if we don't do things with integrity. Tell us about what you're doing. That would be the reply.
No.
Truth.
No.
Transparency.
No.
Integrity.
Rules, who needs rules?
Is that worth £1 a month?
Open your eyes.
It's time to take your power back.
It's up to you.